Hello, I'm Coin Ring Maker, and this is my YouTube channel. If you haven't been here before, I usually make coin ring and coin ring type videos. Today, we've got a mega mail type video. I have a giant box that I'm gonna open up, and I wanted to share it with you. So, getting this thing into my office was something else. Really heavy. What do we have here? We've got some files, some tools. These tool casings. We got some dies here. Looks like 2 of them broke free. Probably down here. There's one. Jason's Works, baby. All Jason's Works. Let's see what else we got here. We got a nice mandrel. Look at that. We've got the granddaddy right here. The auto punch from Jason's Works. Oh yeah. I've wanted one of these since I started coin ring making. This lets you hold your coin without your hand while you deburr it. Awesome tool. This goes on ring stretchers. It allows you to stretch much larger rings. That's going to be pretty fun. Got some liver sulfur. I haven't played with this stuff yet, so I'm pretty excited about it. Got some Pepe lube, which I've also never tried, and some silver wipes. Straight up got a Jason's Works sticker. That's pretty cool. This is just another place to put dies and other coin ring tools. We got something here wrapped in a towel. Oh, this is a polishing cloth. More stickers. Loose die. Another loose die, and this is a pusher, which is pretty cool. I don't have one of these, so that'll be fun. God, I got a little bit of everything here, man. More stickers, some Teflon tape, and under the towel, there's a wooden mandrel. That's pretty nifty for pennies and dimes. Under this towel, this right here. Pepe Tools, baby. Pepe Tools ring stretcher. Oh yeah. And there's more. Got a free towel. Here's another pusher, and I assume that's a pusher too. This is probably some tools. This is going to be the die that goes on the ring stretcher. It's another pusher, some tongs. These I'll just have to unwrap in a minute. But these are just all going to be Jason's Works tools and dies. A great deal. Man, more dies. So here's a nice overview of all the ridiculous coin ring tools I got. I'm going to unpack everything and try and straighten them out nice and show you what everything looks like.